Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your UNOTM code. If you're looking for a way to redeem your game code for UNOTM, then here is how you can do it. Simply go ahead and open your UNOTM application on your device, and then from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the bottom left hand corner. Now from the left hand side menu, select gift code option and tap on it. Click the redeem button right next to enter gift code to get great rewards, and then enter your gift code you'd like to redeem in the text box. After typing in your gift code, tap on redeem. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your gift code. If the code is valid, you'll be able to claim rewards. Also make sure to redeem your gift codes before they expire so that you don't have to lose corresponding rewards from the code. So that is how you can easily redeem your game code for UNO. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.